really be hooking up with the heart patient and your mom and me?
What?
No, he's not. He spent the night. He gave her scum.
You gave me scum.
Yeah, I spent the night with you, too, because I'm married to you.
Yes, she is. That's one house, the same Germany capital, sleeping right to Sarah Ramirez's Callie. Sada. Did you watch it? And a mom to their baby girl, Sophia, on ABC's Grey's Anatomy. I love that storyline.
In her own life, Jessica and her husband are expecting baby number 3 very soon. How soon?
Early this summer. It kind of planned out very well. We'll be done with the season probably, you know, late April, early May, and then there'll be a baby.
It's nice work.
As a doctor, did you plan that since you are?
No, I actually didn't. And I'm a planner, but I didn't. I like, you know, let go, let God.
You get sweaty during the summer, right? You don't want to be in the last 3 months of pregnancy during, you know.
I did with my first 2 kids, though, and I gotta say, it was fine.
You're a very cute pregnant person. I'm looking at you. So do you do pregnancy well?
You know what? I'm so lucky. I don't get sick. I think my people were like meant to breed. I don't know. But I'm stopping it. We're stopping after this.
How are you stopping?
Well,
How do you know? Did you make an appointment for him somewhere?
You never know.
Yeah. It's like.
Yeah, that's a conversation for him.
But yeah, not the. Are you ready for number 3? I always say number 3 for me is like a pet. Like our son is literally like, we put him in a closet, he has a nursery in our first house, and they just sort of go with it.
Yeah. No, I mean, I feel like, I'm as ready as you can be, which is to sort of admit that you're never ready, and you never know what child or what disposition, and I think it's really funny because when you're pregnant, everyone likes to give you advice, but they only give you advice from their perspective. So some people are like, ooh, the third one just really killed us, and you're like, thanks for telling me that. And then the other women will come over and go, the third one's completely worth it, my favorite. And you're like, where's your second and your first?
Yeah.
I hope they didn't hear you say that.
Exactly. Everyone's got a different experience.
Yeah, but you both have 3, and it's worked out well for you.
Please. And
ooh, that second one, huh?
The middle child. No, Mom said as many kids, have as many kids.
Yeah. And my husband and I, we love being parents, and so we're really lucky that we get to have jobs that we could love to go do. And then when we're home, when we get to be home a lot, it's really great. We both love it.
Your husband's a child psychologist.
Oh no.
Do you ever?
No, he just started a company. He just started a company with Jessica Alba and Brian Lee called The Honest Company, and it's.
Oh, we had her on.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
He's doing the honest.
Yeah. So it's subscription diapers and wipes, all sort of, green-minded and eco-friendly.
But cute. They didn't do the little brown thing.
I finally have cute diapers for my children, yes. Not just sort of like, crazy, weird brown diapers that all my relatives in Missouri make fun of me for.
Yeah.
You always look at it, just looks way too uncomfortable.
Oh, and leaky. Itchy. These are phenomenal. And then, they're coming in, now they have, the whole household cleaning program, and so it's amazing, yeah.
But he's a child psychologist by training.
He had his background, well, he studied, yes.
But does that mean he can out-mom you if he needs to because he knows the mind of the child?
No one can out-mom you because you're the mom.
Well, what the child needs here, honey.
He gets a bitch. I'm dealing with this. You're one of those.
Your parents, do they spoil the kids? Tell me the craziest thing they've bought for them.
My kids are very lucky. They have very involved grandparents on all fronts, and their grandparents bring, a myriad of different things to their lives, and so I think they're so lucky. And also, our parents had us so young that they get to really be a very vital part, so they get to go out and do all these things with them. It's very cool.
The best babysitting is free.
Yeah.
They love them so much. Yeah. It's the best thing ever.
Yeah.
Are you loving Grace?
I love Grace. Yesterday, it's so funny. I'm on Twitter, which I never.
I think you're going at it with McDreamy.
Yeah, you know what? We got into a little Twitter pick war, where literally he was yielding his iPhone like it was a weapon. I know. See, this is me because he likes to catch me.
Now, what are you taking a picture of?
Well, I'm taking a picture of him. That's Jesse. Then Patrick's behind me trying to take a picture of me. But see, Patrick most likes to take pictures of me in compromising positions. So. Not positions.
Hello.
Whoa. You got good. Not positions. Yeah, like when you're in the middle of taking, a bite of a muffin or something, making a sun face, doing something that's just not attractive.
Unflattering.
Yes, he likes to take pictures of that.
He
doesn't ask if, we live in this world where it's like, it would be nice if someone said, like, hey, I just took this picture, I'm going to tweet it now, right? That would be nice and courteous. No, it's not. for him. He doesn't need to do that evidently. He just sends. And then I get back from lunch and I look on the thing and you see people going like, oh, saw the picture of you and what, doing what? What did you see a picture of me doing? And then you look at it. And so then I had 2 pictures of him. One was flattering, one was not. I went with the not flattering. Hey, what can I say?
Which is hard to get.
More.
Yeah, it's
Game
more,
on.
baby.
Yeah.
So you fight with McDreamy on set. McSteamy, you kind of co-parent with a little bit. He's
Yes.
in the picture here. He's
Yes,
the baby
yes,
daddy.
yes, he is.
Is he not? He's a stud, that guy.
Yeah.
Big time stud. Look what's going on here. See, he's got the big balls right here. He's hanging out.
Does your husband love your on-screen chemistry when you get to kiss cute Callie?
You know what? He doesn't like when I kiss anybody. Well, besides him. Really, I think it's pretty good, right?
He's a hoarder of his hot woman.
There you go.
As he should be.
There you go.
All right.
Yeah.
All New
Good luck.
Praise Thursday at 9 o'clock on ABC. Keep it right here. Don't move it. Dana Delaney's in the house.